Hello, this is a continuation video for guard updates. Now will be talking about this stars. Stars will give you these three things. One is assignable attribute points. These are your attribute points. This is attribute points. At level 4, this is giving you 80 points, 80 attribute points for gold guards, and I'm not using purple cards, so I won't be able to say. And and so 10 to 20 per star. 10 to 20, so 10 per star, I think. So 4 star is giving me attribute points 80. So I think it will give me 100 this time. So 4 star is giving me 80, while 3 star is giving me 70. So 3 star against gold cards, and 2 star is giving me 60. 1 star is giving me 50. That is the minimum. So if you appoint the guards, so 1 star, for 1 star it's minimum. If you appoint a gold guard for 1 star, it is 50 points. Then 10 attributes point will be enhanced bonus you will get per star. This is an so stars are going to give you attribute points that it remain the same for all guards. Now each guards will give you the stars of each guard will give you, this is giving you distance damage 2 to 4%, that's 2% is remain unchanged. This will give you 2 to 4% distance damage again. Now this guard, will give you 4 to 6% of distance damage, guard distance damage again. So stars here giving you distance damage, here it will give you infantry damage. So another one here, guard cavalry damage. These stats should come to your damage, this will add up to your damage stats. Then this will give you cavalry damage, as this will as well give you cavalry damage, and this will give you infantry damage. Okay, now appointment benefit gains 5% per star raised. This is 0 to 5%. So here I'm getting appointment benefits, I think 0. No appointment benefits. Distance health, no appointment benefits, as it's single star. So now same here, no appointment benefits. These are the 6 appointment benefits I supposed to get, but as it is still single star, so no benefits, appointment benefits gain. Now it's 5% appointment benefits at single star. So star bonus is 264% and it's 5%. That is around 13. That is not around. That is exactly 13.2%. Okay, so this is how the star system works. Look at this, the star is 7%, and see this as well. This is 3 star, it's giving me 10% at this moment. So distance health 264%, then 26.4%, it is giving me 10%. This is as well giving me 10%, 264. Check it, this one. March capacity is 14,000, star bonus is 1400. Okay, so this is how it works. So 10% for 3 stars, 5% for 2 star. At 1 star there is no bonus, no star bonus while you appoint a card. Now this will give me 15% of this benefit. 264% is the distance defense it gives, and the star gives me 15% of 264%, that is 39.6%. Okay, same way, uh, check the March capacity. Yeah, this is 16,000, the March capacity. Now it is giving me the star bonus I'm getting from this is 16,000. The 10% of 16,000 is 1,600, and 800 is the 5%. So 2,400 as a 15%, gonna sum up to 2,400 March capacity star bonus the guard is giving me. So this is what uh, is all about, and how this system works. Now still, yeah, I have got these three, but what it gives, basic infantry attack, I don't need this. It's already unlocked. It's this will be unlocked if it is. Now let me check what exactly it is giving. Basic increase cavalry basic health, and cavalry basic defense. So I will get this. Attack, don't need this. Distance health, distance distance. I am going to take this one. No, not this. uh, Infantry, no, not this one. This Gaston, yeah. Cavalry health and cavalry defense 50%. And I'm going to unlock this. To unlock this skill, guard skills, this is the 5th guard skill. I need to get it to level 10. So let's go and get it. Level 10, it's unlocked. I have 3 cards as well to unlock this. So now it's already maxed. Now why I have unlocked this is